Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add border in Adobe Express. You can add border on an image, text or shape in Adobe Express, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on a text. So let's get started. Open up your Adobe Express application and then start up a new project or open up an existing one. Once you're inside the timeline for Adobe Express, go ahead and first of all add in a text layer. Click on the plus button in blue at the bottom left and click on text from the menu. You will be able to see your text box appearing on your preview screen. Type in your text you would like to add for your project and then go ahead and select and adjust other attributes such as color of the text, the font size, style, and so on. After adding in the text, you can go ahead and resize your text and replace your text around the screen, and once you are done, it'll look like this. Now to add a border to your text, go ahead and select your text from the preview screen and go to the bottom menu and select outline. Once you tap on outline, go ahead and slide through the thickness option and increase or decrease the thickness of your text. You can also customize the border's color by tapping on the outline color palette and selecting a different color from the color palette menu. After you do that, you will be able to see that you've added a border to your text, which will enhance the thickness and style and color of your text. So that's how you add border to a text on Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.